In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Squarespace website for mobile. Most visitors land on your site from a phone, so a quick mobile pass can dramatically improve readability, conversions, and overall polish. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can apply it right inside the Squarespace editor without any code. Once you're in your site editor, look to the top toolbar and switch to the mobile view. The icon looks like a small phone and toggles the canvas to a narrow width so you can see how sections, text, and images reflow on smaller screens. This view mimics the stacked layout most templates use on mobile, letting you spot cramped text, oversized images, or elements that feel out of order. Take a moment to scroll the full page from top to bottom. Watch for overlapping content, long headlines that break awkwardly, and buttons that appear too small to tap comfortably. If something looks off here, it will look off to your visitors as well. With the mobile view active, start adjusting your blocks. In Squarespace, blocks are the building elements for text, images, galleries, buttons, and spacers. Click a block to open its settings or drag it to refine position within a section. On mobile, blocks stack vertically, so your goal is to create a clean, scannable order from top to bottom. Shorten headlines and tighten paragraph text so each chunk is easy to read at arm's length. For buttons, choose a size and alignment that make them obvious and thumb-friendly, and add a little extra spacing above and below so they don't crowd neighboring elements. For images, adjust cropping or aspect ratios so the subject stays centered and the file doesn't dominate the screen. If a side-by-side layout from desktop feels cramped on mobile, rearrange those blocks into a single column and remove any unnecessary spacers that push content too far down the page. In each section's design panel, refine padding and content width to balance breathing room with efficient scrolling. Keep contrast strong for text over images and switch a background color or overlay if readability slips. As you work, continue to preview in mobile view and scroll slowly, checking the header, navigation, and footer. Ensure links are easy to tap, forms fit the screen, and galleries are simple to swipe through. Repeat this review on your key pages so the experience feels consistent from your home page to your contact page. When everything looks clear, comfortable, and purposeful, you're done. Your Squarespace site is now optimized for mobile.